Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful way to automate your video production workflow using Google's Gemini models right inside a Google Colab notebook. We start by importing the necessary libraries and securely entering our API key. Using getpass is a great way to keep your credentials private while you work. Once that's set, we initialize our AI client. Next, we move on to the video analysis phase. I've uploaded a sample video file here. We're using the Gemini 1.5 Flash model with a specific prompt that tells it to act as a content creator assistant. It's going to look at our video, understand the key scenes, and write a clear, friendly narration script that fits the visuals perfectly. As you can see, the model has generated a great script about exciting new job opportunities. It's professional, engaging, and ready to go. We'll save this text into a variable called final script. Now for the coolest part, turning that text into a voiceover. We'll use a specialized text-to-speech preview model from the Gemini family. We simply pass it our generated script and select a natural-sounding voice, like Kari. The model processes the text and generates high-quality audio data. Finally, we just need to save that data as an audio file. With one last block of code, we write the output to a file named out.wave. And there it is, showing up right in our file sidebar. We've just used AI to analyze a video, write a script, and generate a professional voiceover, all in a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy building!